Welcome back to Pete's Workshop. Just a quick little video today of a bit of a momentous occasion in our household. I appreciate my family helping me. We had a bit of fun doing it as well. So here we go, moving the Bolwell out of the garage and into my workshop. So this is a pretty good shot to show that we're coming out of the garage there. We've got to turn the car 90 degrees and come into this workshop area.
Are you okay, guys? Yeah. So we need a ramp to get it up in them. Yeah, we're going to get it back on. How are you feeling out the back?
No, it's getting heavy.
No,
it's
actually
really good.
Go kick, now go real tight, Chloe.
Oh, this way?
Other way.
I love the banter here. My wife's saying it's too heavy, and someone else is saying no, it's fine.
Okay.
The car's actually really light, so it's quite easy to move around like this.
I feel like we're... Yeah, we see make sure... Yeah, no, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Awesome. That's awesome. That's
Doing good, Chloe? You guys are great at this.
Right.
Can you go to CCTV and take screenshots of this? Like an awesome photo. You filming this for you?
The car doesn't even have a complete steering column attached, let alone a steering wheel. So I've put two vice grips onto what's going to eventually one day be part of the steering column, and that's what Chloe's steering.
Doing great, Chloe.
Yeah.
Which way?
Hey! Straighten up, Chloe. Straighten up, Chloe.
Other way?
Left.
Yeah.
Keep going.
I'm trying. It's actually really hard to do. You don't have to run. Toes, everybody.
Okay, let's stop there.
Put the brakes on.
When I installed the winch, I also put a hook down on the ground. So I've got a pulley down on the ground, so the winch rope runs down, and then I'm basically along the ground. So we're just pulling that out there, and the whole purpose of that was absolutely to be able to pull cars in to the workshop. And it works a treat.
We'll try and straighten it up a bit.
Tell us when to stop, Dad.
Was that the steering?
No, I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Some red fire truck on. It just fell off.
Reckon it's good, Ed? Yeah, I reckon that's good, but I don't want to do that with the rope. I'll get something.
That's very clever. I don't. I just tried using it. It's so difficult. And then you got to go, no,
I think we'll go all the way underneath as well, underneath the fiberglass. Because that will be low.
What am I doing?
Just alright. Hold on. I'm going to stop turning. Now straighten up a bit. That's not too much. That's good. This way a bit. Yep. You okay? Yeah. Cool. Back to good still. Right. Keep going right.
You did it!
Good. Thank you, mate. Good job. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Ruby. Good button pressing and pushing. Chloe, good steering.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Good job.
Thank you, my family, and thank you for watching.